If you're looking for an affordable free plugin to compress images, to reduce file size, increase your website speed, there's a plugin that's called Smush and it's free. Let me show you how it works right now. What's up everyone? So like I said, it's a free plugin that's going to compress the images on your site. Now before I show you how to install it and actually use it, I'm going to just show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. They have great affordable shared hosting plans that you can grab that link in the description, and I'm going to show you an extra discount coupon code that you can apply. So jump into the link, go into hosting, go into web hosting, and you're going to be able to find the affordable plans that they have. So I'm going to show you the most popular one, which is $3.99 a month. And if you add it to cart, go ahead and select the amount of months that you want to lock in the price for. I recommend 48 months. You lock in the lowest price, the lowest renewal price, and you're good to go for 48 months. Now, right now, the price is $191.52. But if you add my coupon code and apply it, the price is going to drop to $172.37. If you plan to grab a shared hosting plan, use my coupon code. Now, like I said, this is my demo WordPress site, and I recommend going into plugins, add new plugin, and go ahead and search for Smush. This is a plugin I've used frequently, especially because it's free, and I use the free version for several of the sites that I use. Go ahead and install it, activate it, and you're going to find the plugin right here. In this section, you're going to be able to find the overview of this plugin. So there's a lot of features that are available only on the Pro version. But I mean, if you just want to compress images, this is a great way to go. They have over 1 million installs and they've been around for several years. So it's a good way to get started to compress images. Now, the thing you want to do is do a bulk smush. So right now there's 27 images on my site that I can do a bulk smush. Now, if you want to change the compression settings and those kind of things, go into the settings and change them right here. But in this case, we're going to go into bulk smush because I want to show you how easy this is. Let's go ahead and get started with the bulk smush right here. But if you want to change the settings, like I said, you can change them right here. So basically, it's going to start right here. 1 out of 2 images, 2 out of 27 images, 3 out of 27. Let me go ahead and stop this right now. And we've just smushed those images really quickly. Now, for the settings, you got the option for the smush mode. So compression level, basic, super, or unlock. This is only going to be on the Pro version. But I mean, you're good to go with super. Obviously, you don't want to compress them too much because then they're going to look bad. If you're a photographer, you don't want to smush them, okay? Image sizes, go to all. If you want a custom, automatic compression on the image upload. So that means if you're building your site and you're uploading images, they're going to be automatically smushed or compressed, okay? Metadata, if you want to strip that data, it's kind of like kilobytes, but if that counts, go ahead and enable that. Image resizing, if you want to resize it. Original image, compress the original images, backup the original images. If you don't care about backup and if you don't want to have a lot of images stored on your server, go ahead and disable this. Don't back it up, okay? Email notifications only on the Pro version, and restore the thumbnails if you have them backed up. Set those up, save it, go ahead and do the bulk smush, and it'll work with the settings that you've set up. But it's just that easy to start compressing images on your WordPress site. Now, like I said, it's going to improve the website speed performance because the images are going to weigh less and your website is going to load faster. And in return, there's going to be less drop of visitors because the site is going to load really fast. So it's really great for SEO purposes also. But there you go. That's WP Smush. If you want to check it out, the link we provided in the description. And like I said, if you plan to grab a hosting plan, do check out Hostinger. I do recommend them. And if you plan to grab it, use my coupon code, which is SaaSmaster. And that's a wrap.